Once you've successfully discovered computer systems or network devices on your network, you can either search here right from the main screen, or you can look under resources where you can see all of devices, networks, storage arrays, services, operating systems, software components. We're going to look for a device that we know that was part of a discovery job. So we will navigate to resources and all devices. From here, I can filter on the type of device that it is. I know that it's a physical device. I can also specify the type of hardware if I know the hardware, or if I specified a customer during discovery, I can choose the customer. I know the name of the system is ESXi-004, so I can enter it here and press enter. I'll then see that item show up here. I can see the name. I can see when it was last updated. Clicking on that item will bring me into that device, and I can see the information that was gathered during discovery. I can see the hardware, the serial number, the UUID. Also, if the location was specified, I can see that. I can go down to the properties, see the CPU, the operating system. This one happens to be allocated in a rack. And I can see the network connectivity. As I discover my network devices, as you can see here, I can see the MAC addresses. I can see the port that it's connected to, as well as the IP addresses that have been assigned to this system. Other information can be tracked here. For example, under lifecycle, because I'm doing the Dell warranty sync, I can see all of the order numbers that were associated with the system and the contract IDs, as well as the start and end date. So I'm able to capture all the warranty information. Under the other tab, I can see the BIOS information. This is by Dell. I can see the version 6.4. Any parts that have been discovered, for example, the CPUs. If there were applications installed in this ESX host, I would see those. Any services that are running, the mounts, and the virtual systems that are configured on this ESX host. If I want to find out more information on one of the virtuals, I can simply click on any one of these objects over here, and that will bring me into the details for this device. I can see that it's a VMware virtual subtype, the host, which is the system we were just looking at, and the other information associated, serial number, UUID. And similar information is located below: CPU, operating system, connectivity. I can also see if there's any applications installed on this VM. Apache's installed on there, any software, any services, and the mounts that are associated with this. When discovering computing systems, we also discover the services and we discover the applications. So if I'm looking for a specific server or services, I can go to resources. I can also see, along with the service instances, that I can see any scheduled tasks that have been discovered. So by clicking on scheduled tasks, this will discover any Windows task schedules, any cron jobs that are on Linux systems. You can see here's a short list right here, and most of these are Windows type of discoveries. But if I wanted to look for all of the services that were discovered, I can go to all services and click that link, and it'll show me all of the services that have been discovered. There's over 8,000 of them here. If I was looking for Java, for example, I can press enter, and I'll get a list of Java services that are running. In this example here, we can see there's 34 instances of Java. When I select the link, I can see all of the instance IDs as well as the devices that Java is running on. So if I'm looking for all of my systems, that are running a particular service, this is one easy way to do that. The same holds true for applications. So I can go to application components, and I can search for a particular application. So in this case, I'll look for Oracle database. And you can see it starts to autocomplete. If I press enter, I'll get a list of everything associated with Oracle database for applications that have been installed. I can see the devices that it's installed on. And I have 13 application components that were discovered. I can also look for software that has been installed, and I can go to all software components under resources. And if I'm searching for something, I can again look for Oracle database software. And this will tell me all of the software that's been installed with the different versions: 11G, 12C, 18C. I can see the discovered counts that have been identified as well, and if I'm actually licensed for any of this software. And going back to the home screen, I can also search for these items right here. So if I put in Oracle database, press enter, it's going to show me everything that's associated with Oracle database. I can see there's devices with Oracle, application components with Oracle database, as well as software components with Oracle database.